So like I said, the number 1 bell does not have a number on it. And the 4A bell, you can see it right there, 4A. And then the circles on the bottom of the bells are all flat, circled. They're not raised like the real older bells. And then the back caps are the narrow font back caps. And every single thing on this horn is original. It's pretty cool. For some reason, these older horns, they don't sound as harsh as the raised letter newer K horns. They tend to be a little bit smoother sounding, which I like. And Cruz likes. Right, Cruz?
Yeah.
Yep. So like I said, this horn has not been opened up, and it will not be opened up unless there's a problem with it. And just if you guys are wondering, this horn will never be for sale. It'll basically stay in the family. So you can see it has the Airchime, 2-word Airchime. Kind of interesting. It does not say Nathan on it. And on the other side it says patented. So, anyways, there you go. Burlington Northern BNSF K3la. Hope you guys enjoyed.